right, here's a 1956 Buick Special Riviera, which of course is a two-door hardtop designation. The Special would have had 3 vent ports in the side, as you can see there. Riding on white walls, wheel covers. White with kind of a turquoise or mint bottom. It's an interesting part on this too. As far as the trim tag, the color code on it is CUT, which I don't know if it stands for a color combination that they would have had, or if it was a custom ordered color. Maybe any of you Buick experts that happen to see this video, fill us in on that. I have yet to come across that on a Buick cowl tag or data tag. Now the interior in this one was a 413 trim, so that would have been a custom trim at extra cost back in '56, and that was a light green cordovine and green nylon pattern cloth. Interior has been redone, has been reclothed. We'll get around to that, tell you about it in a second. Now if you'd like to know more about this car, feel free to call us. Number you can reach us at 507-386-1726. Of course, you can check out the website. That would be uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. And you can check out all the still pictures, interior, undersides, and what have you. 322 nailhead V8 paired with an automatic. How this car would have came from Buick in '56. Of course, a hard top. No post between the rear windows and the front windows. And again, that was that Riviera designation. Now, I did notice, and it'll show up in the pictures, but I wanted to point this out. There is some bubbling. If you can pick that up down below the bottom of the doors here. A little of that on each side. Over here too. So I'd call this a driver quality car. If you need to take it to the next level, going to need a little bit of TLC, and it's that way on the other side also. Notice a little bit up on the bottom of the hood too. If you're just looking for a nice classic to drive the way it is, be a car for that. Or if you want to take a nice two-door hardtop to the next level. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Again, 1956 Buick Special Riviera. Brightwork, not bad on the car. A little bit of pitting here and there. I was going to point this out too. Chrome peeling a little bit back here. If you can pick that up in the video, there you go. Give you a true understanding of condition this car is in. And again, check out the still pictures. You can see the underside, interior. Check out the still pictures up close. Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Once again, our number 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions we can on this car. Let's go ahead and start it up. Check out the interior. The interior is a little bit tricky. In some of the pictures in the video, this right here, as far as color-wise, real true to what it is. When I get in the car, it really stands out and appears to be quite green. But it's more of kind of a mint. That makes sense. So you'll see what I'm talking about in the pictures. And if I get into the car here, you see it pops a little bit more green. A little more of a mint color. Kind of a vinyl cloth combination. Stock looking dash. As you can see, the dome light works in the center there. I did have the radio powered up and lights on, but it did not get any stations or any sound or anything to play out of it. Yeah, the interior light I'm talking about is right there above the radio. Again, stock looking dash. Of course, these had the foot pedal start. This one still does. So what you wanted to do is turn the key here, push the foot feet, car starts right up. Odometer reads 63,662. With the age of this car, cannot confirm or deny that is accurate. It doesn't stay with the title. I'm going to slip around to the back. You can hear this car run. We're going to check out under the hood, check out that engine bay. Nice little rumble coming out of that nailhead V8. All right. I'm going to pause this a second, just pop this hood, and I'll let you check out the engine bay. All right, so here you go. Check out the hood liner, engine bay. Pretty stock looking, what you'd expect to see from a stock 56 Buick. See, it seems to run awful smooth. Again, 322 nailhead V8 paired with that automatic transmission. And again, you can check out the engine bay pics, any of the pictures on our website. So one more time, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and be happy to assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.